Imagine this. You land in a new country. Everything feels different. People are speaking fast English. And suddenly you feel lost. At the airport, in a taxi, at the hotel, even in a restaurant. You want to speak, but the words don't come out. Your heart starts racing, and you think, why is this so hard? Listen, it's not hard. You just need the right English for the right moments. And in this video, I'll walk you through everything, step by step. So next time you travel, you don't panic. You speak. Part 1, Airport English. Entrance, security. When you enter the airport, keep it simple. They might say, "May I see your ticket and passport?" Please place your bag on the scanner. You just say, "Here you go." Sure. No long sentences. Just simple and clear. Check-in counter. Now at the counter, they may ask, "Where are you flying today? Do you have any luggage? Window or aisle seat?" You answer, "I'm flying to Dubai." "Yes, one bag. Window seat, please." And if you don't understand, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that? Can you speak a bit slower, please?" That one sentence can save you from stress. Immigration. This is where most people feel nervous. But relax. They usually ask simple questions. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you stay? You answer, "I'm here for tourism. I'll stay for 5 days. At a hotel." Short, clear, done. Security check. They may say, "Take off your shoes. Empty your pockets. Put your laptop in a separate tray." If you feel confused, just ask, "Sorry, what should I do?" That's completely okay. Boarding gate. You may hear, "Flight 302 is now boarding." If you're unsure, ask, "Is this for Flight 302? Simple question. Big confidence. Part 2, Real Life After Airport. Taxi. Now you step outside. You need a ride. Just say, "Can you take me to this address? How much will it cost? Can you use the meter? If using your phone, here is the location." Hotel check-in. At the hotel, they may ask, "Do you have a reservation? Can I see your passport?" You say, "Yes, under the name, your name." Here it is. You can also ask, "What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Do you have Wi-Fi? If something is wrong, there is a problem with my room. Can you help me, please?" Restaurant. This is where people feel shy, but don't overthink. When you enter, "Table for one, please." When ordering, "I'd like this." Point. "Chicken with rice, please." "No spicy, please." If confused, "What do you recommend?" At the end, "Can I get the bill, please?" That's it. Practice. Make them speak. Let's try something. Imagine you're traveling right now. Question. Where are you flying today? Say it. "I'm flying to Dubai." Question. Do you have a reservation? Say, "Yes," under the name Khaz. Question. What would you like to order? Say, "I'd like Maraki." Good. You're not stuck anymore. Let me tell you something honestly. You don't need perfect English to travel. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need fancy grammar. You just need simple, clear, confident words. Even if your English is not perfect, people will understand you. And every time you speak, you become better. Confidence doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. If this video helped you, comment below. I'm ready to travel. And if you want to speak English confidently in real life, subscribe to English Elevation, because here, we don't just learn English, we live it.